Andrei Lazarov. 10% talent. naporna работа. I 70% voda. Pelistarka. 100% život.
After disappointment Olympic handball tournament, this is a real Danish handball machine.
Yes, today in the first half, not in the second half. We played very well in the first half, but in the second half it was kind of a mess. We missed too many shots from 9 meters, so they had a lot of fast goals. But we won and we're happy.
What do you think Landin was key point of the first half tonight?
Oh my God, he was very good in the first half and also in the second half. We have to thank him for the victory today, I think.
Now in the semi-final, who you prefer, France or Croatian team?
I don't care. They are both very good teams. France had won the Olympics for 6 months ago, and Croatia, we lost to Croatia with 12 goals at the Olympics. So two very good teams. So first time at this tournament, we're not favorites.
It's possible to win 9 consecutive matches and the title.
Of course, it's
not
possible.
easy.
It's not easy, but it's possible.
Are you seeking for a little revenge against France?
Yes, we are. Very much, very much. In 2011, we lost against France in the final. Of course, we're looking for revenge. But we have to play like the first half. If we play like the second half, we don't have a chance, I think.